Decimal.
Decimal. Very good. So can you give me an example of decimal? Tana, you don't know any example. Wichasin, do you know any example of a decimal number?
I'm not sure. I don't know this one.
Oh, okay. Who else knows? Can you try?
Like the sum dot.
Oh, yes. It has got a dot. I will give you an example. Look at that. How do you read this?
0.5, right?
Thanks for trying, but it should be 0.5. 0.5. So 0.5 is an example of a decimal number. Do you understand that?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
How about this? How do we read this?
For the
Point.
27.
Say it again. 4 point.
4.27.
Actually, when we read decimal numbers, after the point, we don't read this number as 27, but we read it as 27. You see that? You say 4.27.
Okay.
Yes, you can try again.
4.27.
Yes. Oh, yes. 4.27. And let's try this last one. Who can try?
I will try.
Yes.
51.279.
Wow. Wow. That's great. 51.279. So this is what we call the decimal. The numbers with a decimal point, 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 and point. So the whole of these numbers, we read them as decimal numbers. By the way, do you know that in everyday life, we use decimal numbers? For example, you go to the shopping mall, you find the price is written in decimals. I'll give you an example. Look at that. This
Temperature.
Yes, temperature. These days, every time you go to the shopping mall, you go, even at our school, they check your temperature. And if your temperature is, let's say 38 degrees centigrade and above, oh, you are not allowed. Maybe they say that you have got COVID-19, you know? Have you seen that?
Yes.
Yes, every time you go somewhere these days, they have to check your temperature. But the temperature you already see sometimes is written in decimals. For example, this temperature is 36.8 degrees centigrade. You see that? I'll give you another example. Do you look at that? What is that?
Is a light gas station.
Petrol.
No.
Yes, petrol station, right?
Yes, yes.
At the petrol station, sometimes you go there to refill your car. Maybe you move with your dad or with your mom, and maybe you want to refill your car. You find that sometimes the price is written in decimal numbers. Can you see this? 152.9. What about this?
One
56.9.
56.9.
Then this one,
157.9.
and this.
72.9.
Oh, yes. Okay, look at that.
Wait.
Wait. Sometimes you need to measure your weight. You need to know how many kilograms do you have. Then you go on the body scale and you check your weight is having a decimal number. So can you read that decimal number on the body scale? Yes. 81.6 kilograms. You see that?
Okay, okay.
Okay. And now the last one, money. You know, sometimes we have money written in a decimal number. How much money can you see, student?
Just but
79
9
baht 50
8
cents.
Yes, 79 baht, 50 stang. So now, this we can write it as a decimal number. We write 79.50 baht. You understand that?
Yes.
Yes, I understand.
So you write baht alone, then point, then you write satang. Okay? So that's how we can write money in baht. So our word of today is decimal. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.